So I'm going to look at Outlook now. Can either choose it here from the shortcuts that are on the landing page once we've logged in, or choose it here from the waffle. So either way, I'm going to launch Outlook. Now, on the previous video, I showed you that it automatically took me to Outlook and asked me to choose my time zone, etc. If it's the first time you've been to Outlook, you may be asked to do the same to see where you came from. Look at the previous video on Office 365 and time zone if you need to do that. But here we are, we're in Office 365's online version of Outlook. It works pretty much as you would expect it. To send a new message, you just hit the plus. And there we are, it gives you the new message. As you start to type someone's name, it will come up with the possibilities. There we go. So you can send it to the people you want. Add a subject. Type your message. And then hit, oops, wish I could spell, hello, and then hit send. I'm not going to send gibberish to Ian, but that's basically how you would do it. There's other options that are coming up here. Do we want to see just certain things, all of them? I'm saying, right, I've got it, I don't care, I'll worry about that kind of stuff later. I've got the basics here, the inbox, 7 messages and so on. As well as sending to individuals, so I'm going to hit new again. I can also send to groups of people. I've got a contacts list down here, so I can set up my own unique contact lists and contact groups. However, I've also got the groups that I belong to that have been set up by the school. So I'm a member of the computing science department. So if I want to send to both Ian and Sandra, then I can do it here. So this allows me to send and receive. It tells me a wee bit about it here. Groups let you share conversations, files, calendars, etc. So there's kind of really powerful things that we can do with the groups within the context of Outlook. For just now, I'm just going to go back to my inbox and I'm just going to choose new. But this time, instead of typing an individual's name, I'm going to type this group name, which is Computing Science Department. Okay, so as I start to type computing, it will set my directory. It will find that I belong to that group, Computing Science Department. There we go. And that'll let me send to everyone who belongs to that group.